Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Sarkar Jylla lingba ketenat jengok kai kandai ke Jylla ke Baar kaban yok ban Pynlong ye ke India Responsible Tourism State Award arjar arpulai ke baki khot ke Meghalaya chapter. Nagaliang menteri ketenat jengok kai perthai ubak Paul Lingdo uliat ho baka tenat kanya trailang bat ka Outlook magazine ha ke bahagani ke magazine ladap ban Pynlong ye ke Outlook Indian Responsible ha kabakani ka magazine kalada ban Pynlong ye ka Outlook Indian Responsible Tourism Summit ka ban Ningkong ha ka Jylla Rajasthan. Ula benrap ru de ka baong baga jingbut jong kadi kalong ban aimen sem ni ki paj ba ka Jylla ki badan ha ni ka kam. Katanat kan sa ai ru ka jing itho da ka Khusnam ka ba Kyrpang. Ha ka bakan don ka jing jet ye ki breu ha ki babun ki benta la ka dai ye ki to ki badan ye ki homestay pat ki wei de ki kam. Ula ongru ba dagani katnat kan kenteu sesu lakadei halor kerukam bam kerukam shed bat kiwei ya kani ka kam khnang man la ban pentulun syakmat ya kani ka kam
ke Meghalaya kan host ya ke India Responsible Tourism State Awards 2023 bagi khatka Meghalaya chapter. Ni propose ba hak ni ini trailang bat kena Outlook Outlook magazine. Kalau depan organize ya ke Outlook Indian Responsible Tourism Summit Kyrpang Rajasthan. Jadi Meghalaya kan dia state ke Baar, Jylla ke Baar ban host dia kan dia event. Kejingmut jong kini event tolong ban encourage ya they mengikut responsible tourism. Responsible tourism kan long ke tourism kapa in briefly kalau memang to curate unique experiences for travelers by diversifying tourism products and geographies with the aim to minimize impact on the traditional tourism circuits, protect the rights of the local communities, and build a collaborative model to represent their share of voice in infrastructure projects and development schemes, adopt practices to reduce waste, conserve water, and minimize the carbon footprint of tourism. Ensure the adoption of new and renewable energy resources across the spectrum of tourism to achieve carbon neutrality. Develop sustainable infrastructure that does not harm the environment, flora and fauna. Create employment opportunities for women and youth by training and skilling them and foster a spirit of entrepreneurship. Celebrate local festivals, craft, dance, music, art and cuisine, and promote an ecosystem which ensures the preservation of local culture, biodiversity, and rights of indigenous communities. Dia hapa jom kani project ngin ai ke jing itu yaki brio ki bala onda jing job hagi bentar prepare jong ke tourism kini kin thok from sustainable leadership naki homestays and B&Bs and guest houses, travel enterprises, food, cultural tourism. Yakini ki award pada kan don da ke juri. Kini ke juri kan kalau ni kan pun depan jet yaki ban yo yaki yakini Khusnam. Jadi kategori sekali kita bangla kedua mentang. But based on application jong kini kita la ishimenta wa promote ya kini kita la kedua mentan homestays, guest houses, travel food terter. Te kene ke juri boleh kan select ya diberi banyak award ya keba nin sa ngelapan krearu daga microsite keba ngikot eka the exclusive microsite for IRTSA Meghalaya. In Kanlong live immediately in post every alternate days to keep the conversation going. But kane kan ketuk yaki the post will include microsite launch announcement of Magnificent Meghalaya, event announcement post, social media contents, award category announcement, jury post, speaker post, guest speaker given one, post promoting Meghalaya's culture, heritage, food, etc., event countdown and post. Te kani yakini baru proses kelas sedang, but kat bagi nginangnya Syekh Mat nginang di tadi.